Alright, let's be honest for a second. Most small luxury crossovers try way too hard. They throw on a premium badge, add a big screen, a couple of flashy design tricks, and hope nobody notices that, underneath, it still feels ordinary. But this could be different, because the 2027 Lexus LBX Hybrid Next Generation has the chance to become one of the smartest compact luxury SUVs on the market. Not the biggest, not the fastest, but maybe one of the most complete. And if Lexus gets this right, then Audi, Mini, Volvo, and even Mercedes should absolutely be paying attention. Let's start with the design, because first impressions matter a lot in this class. And the 2027 LBX looks like it wants to move the formula forward. The front end feels smoother, cleaner, and more futuristic. It has a more refined lighting signature, a wider visual stance, and a much more modern Lexus look overall. Instead of relying on oversized aggression, it feels polished and confident. That's a big deal, because luxury design does not always need to scream. Sometimes the best premium designs are the ones that look expensive without begging for attention. From the side, the proportions feel right for a compact urban luxury SUV. It has that sleek roofline, a planted stance, and just enough athleticism to keep it from looking soft or generic. It looks efficient, stylish, and upscale all at once. And around the rear, that full-width lighting treatment gives it a much more premium identity. It adds width, presence, and a cleaner visual finish that makes the whole vehicle feel more upscale. Overall, this is the kind of crossover that could easily stand out in traffic without trying too hard. Now, inside is where Lexus really has to deliver, because in this segment, people are not just buying transportation, they are buying atmosphere. And this is where Lexus usually knows what it's doing. The cabin looks modern, clean, and driver-focused. The dashboard layout feels minimal without being boring, the screen placement looks natural, and the overall environment gives off that calm, premium Lexus vibe. That matters more than ever. Some competitors go heavy on flashy technology, but Lexus has always been better when it leans into comfort, elegance, and quiet confidence. That's what makes the brand special. So if this next generation LBX brings better material quality, smarter storage, improved rear seat comfort, and a more refined digital experience, it could easily become one of the nicest interiors in its class. And that's exactly what buyers want in a compact luxury hybrid. Not just something that looks good in a brochure, something that actually feels good every day. Now, let's talk about the engine, because this is the heart of what makes the LBX so important. The 2027 Lexus LBX Hybrid is expected to continue with a compact hybrid-focused setup, most likely based around a 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain. So here's the realistic expectation. Engine, 1.5-liter hybrid. Power, around 145 to 165 horsepower transmission, ECVT, drivetrain, front-wheel drive standard with possible all-wheel drive option. And honestly, that makes perfect sense. This vehicle does not need massive horsepower. It does not need to be a performance SUV. What it needs is smooth, low-speed response, excellent fuel efficiency, quiet operation, and refined daily drivability. That is what Lexus should prioritize. Quick enough for daily traffic, efficient enough for real-world commuting, and refined enough to feel premium every time you drive it. If Lexus improves throttle response, cabin quietness, and the hybrid system's smoothness, this thing could become an absolute standout for urban buyers. Now, let's talk price, because this is where the LBX really has to be smart. For the 2027 Lexus LBX Hybrid Next Generation, a realistic starting point would be somewhere around $36,000 to $39,000. A well-equipped trim could land around $40,000 to $44,000. And if Lexus throws in a sportier appearance package, bigger wheels, premium audio, and more advanced tech, you could easily be looking at $45,000 or more.